Top 5 Claude features for developers. Today, we're diving into the essential tools Claude AI offers to boost your development process. Let's explore how these features can enhance your projects and productivity.
Welcome to our video on the top 5 Claude features for developers. Did you know that leveraging AI tools like Claude can boost your coding productivity by up to 50%? In today's fast-paced tech world, knowing which features to use can make a significant difference. We'll explore Claude's unique capabilities, from natural language processing to debugging assistance, and how these can transform your workflow. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to harness the full power of Claude AI in your development projects. One of Claude's standout features is its powerful natural language processing (NLP) capabilities. Claude can interpret and generate human-like text, making it invaluable for improving code documentation and communication within teams. Imagine being able to automate your documentation process or quickly generate comprehensive summaries of complex code. This feature not only improves the quality of your code but also enhances collaboration by breaking down communication barriers. With Claude, you can ensure that your team is on the same page, leading to more efficient and effective project management. And automated code generation is another critical feature that Claude offers. This tool can generate code snippets across various programming languages, helping you reduce repetitive tasks and focus more on creative problem solving. Whether you're developing a new application or need to update an existing one, Claude's capabilities can significantly increase your development speed. This feature is particularly beneficial for rapid prototyping, allowing you to quickly test new ideas and iterate on them. By integrating Claude into your development toolkit, you can streamline your workflow and bring your projects to life more efficiently.
Debugging is often one of the most time-consuming aspects of development. Claude's debugging assistance is designed to alleviate this burden by quickly identifying errors and suggesting effective solutions. This feature can significantly reduce the time spent on debugging, allowing you to focus on building and refining your application. By ensuring that your code is reliable and free of errors, Claude supports continuous integration and helps maintain the stability of your projects. Embracing Claude's debugging capabilities can lead to more robust applications and a smoother development process.
Integrating Claude's API into your projects is a game changer for enhancing functionality and scalability. Claude's API is designed to seamlessly integrate with existing applications, providing custom functionalities tailored to your specific needs. This capability not only simplifies complex tasks but also promotes scalability, allowing your applications to grow and adapt over time. Whether you're looking to enhance an existing project or build something new from the ground up, Claude's API integration offers the flexibility and power needed to achieve your development goals.
Claude AI isn't just a one-size-fits-all solution. Its customization options allow you to tailor the tool to meet the specific needs of your industry or project. Whether you're in finance, healthcare, or entertainment, Claude can be adapted to improve user experience and application performance. By customizing Claude's features, you can enhance the outcomes of your projects, ensuring that they meet the unique demands of your field. This adaptability is what makes Claude a versatile tool in the developer's toolkit, capable of addressing a wide range of challenges and opportunities.
To truly understand Claude's impact, let's look at some real-world examples. From startups to large enterprises, many organizations have successfully integrated Claude into their development processes. These success stories highlight the innovative applications of Claude, demonstrating its versatility and effectiveness across different industries. By examining practical use cases, we can learn valuable lessons about the potential of AI in development and the profound impact it can have on industry practices. These examples serve as inspiration and proof of the transformative power of Claude AI.
In today's digital age, security and privacy are paramount concerns. Claude AI is designed with robust data protection measures to ensure compliance with industry regulations and protect user privacy. Its secure API connections and trustworthy AI practices provide peace of mind, knowing that your data is safeguarded. Understanding these security features is crucial for developers who prioritize data integrity and user privacy. By leveraging Claude's security measures, you can confidently integrate AI into your projects without compromising on safety. Claude's journey doesn't end here. The development team is continuously working on updates and new features to enhance its capabilities. By staying ahead of AI trends and incorporating feedback from the developer community, Claude ensures that it remains a cutting-edge tool. Understanding the strategic roadmap and upcoming developments can help you plan your projects more effectively and stay competitive in the ever-evolving tech landscape. Keep an eye on Claude's updates to leverage the latest advancements in AI technology. In conclusion, Claude AI offers a suite of powerful features that can revolutionize your development workflow. From natural language processing to API integration, Claude is designed to enhance productivity and drive innovation. We encourage you to explore these features further and see how they can benefit your projects. Don't forget to leave your comments and feedback below, and let us know which features you are most excited about. Subscribe to our channel for more insights, and stay tuned for our next video where we dive deeper into AI technologies.